Welcome to Money Controls Political News. Here are the top developments. Priyanka Gandhi hits out at Cover Yatra order, calls it attack on constitution. UPSC files FIR against Pooja Khedkar for faking her identity. Supreme Court dismisses plea of two convicts in Bilkis Bano case against January 8 verdict cancelling remission. Rahul's refusal to meet before 2014 polls key reason for Ramvilas Paswan leaving UPA, says Chirag Paswan. And Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma makes another claim, says Assam to be Muslim majority by 2041. Now let's dive into these top developments. The police order to display names of eatery owners along the Cover Yatra route in Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh has been strongly criticized by Congress's Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who said it was against the constitution. She mentioned in a post on X, creating division in society on the basis of caste and religion is a crime against the constitution. This order should be withdrawn immediately and strict action should be taken against the officials who issued it. The police had ordered that all food joints display their owner's name prominently to avoid confusion during the religious procession. Earlier, AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi had claimed that this move was to ensure no Kavaria buys anything from a Muslim owner's shop. The Union Public Service Commission said on Friday it has registered an FIR against IAS probationer Pooja Khedkar for allegedly faking her identity to fraudulently avail attempts beyond permissible limit. The Commission has also issued her a show cause notice for the cancellation of her selection and debarment from future examinations. Khedkar, who joined Pune Collectorate as part of her probationary training in June 2024, is also facing allegations of misusing other backward classes and persons with benchmark disabilities quotas to clear the UPSC civil examination. Earlier this week, the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration put her district training program on hold and called her back to the academy from Washim, where she was continuing her training after being transferred from Pune. The Supreme Court on Friday refused to entertain a plea of two of the 11 convicts in the Bilkis Bano case, challenging the January 8 verdict, cancelling their remission. A bench of Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Sanjay Kumar termed the plea as absolutely misconceived and said, how can it sit in appeal over an order passed by another bench of the apex court? What is this appeal? How is this plea maintainable? This is absolutely misconceived. How can an Article 32 petition be filed? We can't sit in appeal over an order passed by another bench, the bench said. Advocate Rishi Malhotra, appearing for convicts Radhesham Bhagwan Das Shah and Rajubhai Babulal Soni, sought permission to withdraw the plea. Union Minister and Lok Janshakti Party Ramvilas President Chirag Paswan says Rahul Gandhi's refusal to meet his father despite months of trying was a key reason for Ramvilas Paswan leaving the Congress-led UPA and allying with the BJP just before the 2014 elections. Asked about his opinion of Rahul Gandhi, Chirag Paswan told PTI editors in an interaction at the agency's headquarters, the Congress leader has of late begun taking his responsibility a bit more seriously and criticized his recent speech in Parliament as unbecoming of the leader of opposition. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on Friday made a fresh claim about the Muslim community, saying it will become majority in the state by 2041. Substantiating his claims, the Assam CM said the Muslim community in the state is growing around 30% every decade, which is nearly double the Hindu population growth of 16%. Himanta said Muslims have now become 40% of Assam's population as per statistical sampling. Himanta also said that his government has taken steps to reduce population growth among the Muslim community. And that's the wrap for the day.